Giraffe coins usually don't disappear when they're delayed. They're often stuck in a pending state because the offer hasn't fully verified your activity yet through its tracking partner. By the end, you'll know why Giraffe coins get delayed, and the exact steps to force them to show up faster or recover missing rewards. First thing to understand is how coin tracking actually works. When you install or complete an offer, Giraffe doesn't instantly credit you. The offer network has to confirm your activity first, like install source, playtime, or task completion. If that confirmation hasn't finished, your coins sit in a delayed or pending state, instead of showing in your balance. Next, check whether you completed the offer in one clean session path. If you opened the offer and then switched apps, reopened the game outside the link, or installed it later from the Play Store manually, the tracking connection can break. When that happens, the system still logs partial activity, but it delays or rejects the reward because it can't fully verify attribution. Another common cause is network interruption during tracking. If your Wi-Fi drops, your mobile data switches mid-task, or a VPN is active, the verification request can fail to sync. That doesn't always cancel the reward, but it often pushes it into delayed status until the system retries validation later. Now, here's what you can actually do to fix it. First, open the offer inside Giraffe and check its status page. Some offers show a pending or in progress state that updates once tracking completes. If it's been stuck for a long time, restart your phone once to refresh background sync processes. Then make sure tracking isn't being blocked. Turn off VPNs, private DNS tools, or aid blockers, because they can interfere with reward validation. Also keep battery optimization off for Giraffe so the app can sync in the background without being paused. If the coins are still missing after waiting, use the in-app support or report feature tied to that specific offer. Include the offer name and completion time, so they can manually verify it in the system logs. Quick recap. Delayed coins usually mean tracking hasn't fully verified yet, broken install paths cause missing attribution, and network or VPN issues delay sync. Fix those first before assuming the reward is lost. Once those checks are done, give it some time, and reopen the app later to see if the balance updates. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more fixes for reward apps and cashback tracking issues.